That's the shavings. That is the piece I cut out. And that's the plug that I installed into the loader. Back where it comes out down there is here. Plugs into my, and this is how short the cord is, right there to here. Really. So this is the reason why I wanted to put the plug in, because that's going to rip right out of my block heater. So this I won't be keep on taking and tugging on it. All I have to do is unplug it and plug it here. And the extra cord here that comes off this goes into the battery tender. So that's it.